Hi everyone, I'm with Ryan Kristo and we are at the SEO Mastery Summit 2025. So I will ask him questions. But before that, can you please tell me more about you and what you do?
So hi everyone, my name is Ryan Kristo from Topidev Indonesia. I'm running digital marketing agency in Indonesia for SEO and online advertising.
That's perfect. So what are your advices for those startups interested to learn or master SEO?
For those who want to start, because we are on the new, I will say it's new era where the AI is coming. So you need to understand how AI works, what's gonna happen with the AI conversation search. But most important is, in my opinion, most important is your basic SEO must be correct. Start with the site audit, and then go to content, and then go to all the schema, and then backlinks. You need to learn everything faster than ever. Because if you lose that part, it's gonna be hard for you to grow.
Look, there's a lot of agencies here and some of them are struggling to improve or get more clients. Now, what can you suggest?
I learned so much about sales process. This one is not aligned with any SEO techniques or anything. It's a sales. Most people, especially if you are in the SEO world, you might be a bit shy to sell, but this is one skill that you need to understand and you need to grow on your sales.
Presenting your one-stop shop for SEO, GMB, link building, content creation, web design, and more. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. Enjoy 40 to 60% off for our services. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. The best dashboard for SEOs, agencies, and freelancers.
So, are you recommending what marketing strategy in getting clients?
Getting clients, there's a lot. The outbound and inbound. Of course, inbound you can always use SEO ads. Outbound is also important, but most important is build your own branding. Like my friends here, Kherk, he is doing a really good on personal branding. You should check him out. In that way, you will expand your awareness into the market, grow your network, and it's gonna help you easier to grow.
Perfect. So if we are interested to look for your services, where can we go?
You can go to topidev.com.